Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is October 5th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by about 2 points. You can see the futures were a little bit higher about 10 minutes ago. They started to pull back in a little bit. They're still sitting right around 25.38 per contract. So all in all, futures are still higher ahead of the opening bell. We'll see what today gives us. Yesterday was kind of a flat day. Markets were able to carve out a little bit of a positive gain in the S&P 500. We'll see what today brings. We have a lot of stocks in the news, so let's get started there. We're going to start the day off with Constellation Brands. I believe they had earnings. Stock closed at $201.18. Now trading at $213 a share. That's a really solid pop for Constellation Brands. Now on the daily chart, you got a nice little pop, but it is a little bit extended here and overbought. So again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. But that is a solid pop for Constellation Brands, and the stock is in an uptrend. So you want to try to ride that out if you do own it. If you don't own it, I would wait here. I would not jump into it at this level after this bounce here. After the earnings release. So again, we'll watch that one. Keep it on the radar today in the intraday stock chat room. We'll look at it, we'll see what it gives us, and we'll take it from there. Yesterday, by the way, we had a nice trade right at the opening bell on Pepsico. I talked about that in the morning video. That worked out for the tune of 55 cents. So again, a great move on PEP yesterday. And I talked about that in the morning video that we would have levels. So come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We also had some trades yesterday on Shopify, on the Spiders. It's been a great 2017. Come check it out. You trade right alongside of us. Let's take a look at Zumi. ZUMZ is the ticker symbol here. This stock is trading at $19.80. Closed at $18.90. Briefly got above the $21 level, but now has come back down to earth. So we'll see how this plays out once the opening bell rings. I happen to think around this level is there's a lot of resistance around the $20 area and higher. So again, I wouldn't look for too much out of Zoomies today, but again, this is having a nice little reaction. Let's take a look at Biogen. BIIB is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $321. I believe this was downgraded today by Morgan Stanley, but it is trading higher. So again, Biogen, I thought was downgraded. I might have misread that, but again, stock is trading higher this morning. So we'll keep it on the radar today. We'll see how it plays out. I don't really see a lot of upside in this name. So again, if you own this, trail the stop loss immediately. If you don't own it, I wouldn't do much with it. Oh, it looks like it was an upgrade, an upgrade at Morgan Stanley for Biogen. So nice little pop there, but I happen to think it is overbought at this level. And again, nice little move. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, don't do much with it. Let's take a look at Celgene. I think this was downgraded. That's what it is. Celgene was downgraded today. Looks like stock closed at $146.52. It is now trading at $142.49. A level I like for Celgene today, and I don't even expect it to get there, but it'll be around the 134 area. If you get down to 134, I think there's a lot of support there. There also could be some support at 138, but we'll have to review that in the intraday stock chat room. So again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see everything we are doing in there. Western Digital. This stock has been on a rocky road for quite a while, and today I believe Western Digital is downgraded as well. So Western Digital being downgraded today. We'll see how that plays out. Right now trading at $83 a share, closed at $84.35. A level I have for Western Digital would be around $77.50 today. If it got down there, there could be a play. Again, that's another one that we're going to look at once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at FedEx. FedEx is on my radar today. This stock trading at $217 a share. Looks like there's some news out right now. Came out early this morning. I'm not sure if anybody saw it, but it looks like Amazon is said to be testing a new delivery service. That came out on Bloomberg this morning, and again, we'll see how that plays out, but that is certainly weighing on FedEx. FedEx, to be honest, though, has been selling off the last 2 days, and it's selling off again this morning. So we'll be watching FedEx, but that will be in play at some point. I'll have levels ready for FedEx once the opening bell rings, and we'll see if we can get some plays on that. But FedEx under pressure again this morning, and again, the stock trading at $217 at the moment. and it closed yesterday at 221.32. So FedEx is definitely on the radar. We'll see how that plays out. Let's take a look at SeaWorld. SEAS is the ticker symbol here. It looks like the stock is getting some news of a possible sale, but I just don't see the reaction. It closed at $14.11 yesterday. It's trading at $14.50 today. So again, I don't know if there's much upside here unless it did have a sale. But either way, we'll see where it goes. Let's take a look at Grubhub, GRUB. It looks like this was downgraded today. Trading down just a trickle here. I'm not going to make much out of it. If it does get down to around 49.50, 49.75, there could be a play there. Nothing to do ahead of it. Let's take a look at Coach. That was also downgraded today. Coach is trading at $39.32. Again, I am seeing support around $38.15 if it gets there. Let's take a look at CarMax, KMX. That was downgraded as well. This closed at $76.45. Now trading right around the $75.40 level. So down about a buck from its close. When I look at this one, though, there's not much to do at the moment. Stock is still in an uptrend. And again, nothing more than a minor pullback at this stage of the game. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's get over to the gold market. Gold is trading up $2.80 an ounce. Right now, spot gold sitting at $1,279.60 an ounce for gold. Let's take a look at the GLD, which is a good gold ETF. That's getting a little bit more of a bounce right now, trading at 121.35. Yesterday closed at 121.17. So a little uptick there. Crude oil today up by 16 cents to $50.14 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO today, which is a good oil ETF to track the movement in oil, you'll see that's trading at $10.12, up from the close yesterday of $10.08. So there you have it. That's what we're seeing. And again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We'll try to have more levels for you. But either way, it's all about the setups on the charts. If we can't find levels in the morning, we always look for the setups on the charts. And we've had a great 2017, and we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the month, right into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody have a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.